present here.
I, Payal Sardar, Joint General Secretary of IPASF MSB 2015-16.
And I, Jenny Phillip, Joint General Secretary of IPASF MSB 2015-16, welcome you all on the last day of this Grand RX Broadway 2016.
Every event starts with the blessings of the Almighty. I request Ms. Trupti Pavaskar to lead us in singing Saraswati Vandana.
या कुन्देन्द्रतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्तावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिर्देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःश्रेषजाड्यापहा.
Thank you. I now request Dr. Hemant Mondkar, President of IPA MSB, to escort our chief guest, Mr. Ravleen Singh Khurana. I request Dr. Anand Singh, Vice President of IPA MSB, to escort our guest of honor, Mr. Mahadev Babu, Senior Inspector of Bakola Police Station. Dr. Rakesh Tirpude, Council Member of IPA MSB, Dr. N. Shiv Prasad, Honorary Treasurer of IPA MSB, Dr. M.N. Saraf, Principal of Bombay College of Pharmacy, to please come up on the stage. I request all the dignitaries to please come up and light the lamp. Thank you. I request the dignitaries to please take their seats.
It is the most awaited festival of every year. IPASF MSB organizes RX Festival where all pharmacy students across Maharashtra come together to compete and set new records. RX is one of the biggest of its kind in Maharashtra with over 8,000 footfalls, which comprises of sports, culturals, technicals and our two major events, fashion show and group dance. This year, we have introduced new events such as Symposium and Pharma Solutions, which gave students interior to pharma world. RX is a platform to encourage the spirit of competition among pharmacy students across Maharashtra. I now request all the core council to please come on the stage.
Mr. Palak Fansalkar, Chairperson of
Wednesday, my empty
Ms. Vishaka Anbore, Vice Chairperson of IPASF MSB.
waiting
Mr.
for
Jayesh Kasargod, Vice Chairperson of
It's Friday,
IPASF
I'm burning like
Mr. Abhishek Mahadik, Vice Chairperson and Cultural
Guess I
Secretary
won't be
of
coming to
IPASF
church
MSB.
on
Yash
Sunday.
Kandoi,
I'll
Public
be
Relations Officer.
waiting for love.
Mr. Chirag Pendharkar, Sports Secretary.
Mr. Nikhil Jain, Public Health Officer.
Ms. Trupti Pavaskar, Pharmacy Education Officer.
Mr. Soham Yende, Student Exchange Officer.
Mr. Shubham Shukla, Treasurer.
Thank you. Now, I request Dr. Hemant Mondkar to deliver the welcome speech.
A very good evening to one and all, distinguished guests on the dais, and my dear students. It's my privilege to be here. In fact, this moment which has been started many years ago has now culminated into a banyan tree. It just started with two colleges way back, maybe 15, 20 years back, and today you have a group of about 22 colleges being participating in this RX festival. In fact, it's one of the biggest Kumbh Mela, as I call it, of pharmacy students focusing and showcasing their talents in the fine arts section. I know all of you are so inclined towards academics, but this is one stage, one platform where you can showcase your skills, whether it is dance, whether it is technical phase, whether it is fashion show, and other areas where you indulge in. My only advice to you or suggestion to you, be competitive, but at the same time, make always a fair play in all the competitions that you take part, and no bitterness at the end of it, because competing is very important and participation is very important than the outcome. I wish you all the best and thank the chief guest for being here for us and advising us in the program. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
I would request Dr. Hemant Mondkar to felicitate our chief guest, Mr. Ravlin Singh Khurana. I would like to request Dr. Anand Shedge to felicitate our guest of honor, Mr. Mahadev Avale. I would now request Dr. Rakesh Tirpude to please share a few words with the crowd.
Hello. Hi guys. Hi guys. How are you doing? I can't see enthusiasm. Put a little bit effort. Show us enthusiasm, please. Hi, guys. I'll be little informal because I consider myself as a student. Today it is a great experience that I'm sharing this stage with such eminent personalities. A little bit about today's chief guest. He would be a great inspiration for every pharmacy student. A person who can show what a pharmacy student who doesn't have any support, any financial, any background, any pharmaceutical background can achieve in his life with his hard work, with his sincerity and commitments. I am associated with the student forum, and I can tell you there is a tremendous potential in every student of pharmacy sciences. Every student of pharmacy field is a unique example. They have a great potential and they can achieve what they dream in their life. In a few weeks' time, we are going to announce a new council, and this year we are also conducting an industrial visit through the platform of IPA MSB. To new council, I'll suggest they should follow some protocol. They should prepare a SOP which will take care of security and safety of individual students. I'm not going to take much of your time because you must be awaiting for the dance competition and all. Thank you very much for the patient listening. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I request the guest of honor for today's function is Mr. Mahadev Vavle. He is the Senior Inspector of Vakola Police Station. We request, sir, to speak a few words.
Namaskar. Respected dignitaries, since I am from these local police stations and you all students are from Maharashtra, so it is better to speak in Marathi. धन्यवाद. मला या ठिकाणी गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर बोलवल्याबद्दल सर्व पदाधिकाऱ्यांचे मी आभार मानतो. सध्या आमचा टाईट शेड्यूल पाहता आता नुकतेच 26 जानेवारी वगैरे आहे. त्यामध्ये आपला तुमचा इथला फंक्शन 18 तारखेपासून सुरू आहे. आणि एनी प्रॉब्लेम, तुम्हाला काय प्रॉब्लेम झाला का 18 तारखेपासून? तरी आज शेवटचा दिवस आहे. आज आम्ही आहोत. माझा बंदोबस्त पण बाहेर आहे. काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर नक्की शेअर करा. तुम्ही आहेत. काल पण मला 2-3 फोन आले होते. बरं, एनिवे, तुमच्या ह्या संपूर्ण महाराष्ट्राच्या विविध फार्मास्युटिकल कॉलेजमधून आलेल्या सर्व विद्यार्थी यांचे स्वागत आहे. आणि या ठिकाणी जो तुम्ही ॲन्युअल फंक्शन जो साजरा करत आहात त्याबद्दल आता याच्या कॉम्पिटिशन वगैरे होणार आहे. त्यानंतर तुमचे लास्ट सेमिस्टर होणार आहे. त्यानंतर तुम्ही प्रत्यक्ष प्रोफेशनमध्ये येणार आहात. एक प्रोफेशन म्हणून तुम्ही